Welcome, everybody. This is for myself anyway. To the first day of September. And this is our trading journey. We go from FTM-Oh No to FTM-Oh Yeah. This journey is me going from Drawdown, my FTM-Oh account, to the first payout. So I'm getting to the first payout. And I'm live streaming this for myself to stay accountable. To make sure that I do the right thing and I can look back on it and know that I took the right trades according to my plan, according to what I think is right. Right now, it is, let's pull up the trading charts. It is 9:13 p.m. on Monday night. We just looks like we've just had the London Open, which is this little run here. But let's do a top-down analysis. Let's go from the top right the way down to the bottom. So we had a monthly close. Again, we've just got a huge bullish run of just from here. Look, green, 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 potentially green, doji, green, green. Like there's been no red candle since January, which is wild. So it's just on a big, steady upward run of just where were all-time high? Yeah, all-time highs. And then it just kept going. All-time high, all-time high, all-time high, and it just keeps going. The highest monthly close consistently. The weekly looks like it's just broken out of this range. But the weekly seems to be making good structure on the way up because it comes up. At least this is how I see it. It comes up, creates resistance, creates support, breaks the resistance. So it's a high, a low, a higher low, and then this doesn't break it. So it's technically a higher low to a higher high. A higher low, a higher high. So now I think it'll find a higher low somewhere, maybe break this to around these areas because it looks like these lows. Do these lows have a pattern with anything? Not really. Not really. What's this low here? 2300. These low closures were this high. This low closure was above this high. There's that high. So we get the low closure above this high, I guess. If we close the weeklies above here, around these areas, and we should anticipate it to continue because the trend is your friend until it starts to bend. So that's the weekly. And then on the daily looks like it's trying to break out because you've got what this little area was a previous resistance is now becoming a support. So it might try and test this area maybe once more. So you could push it up to here. So it's all rough areas. They're rough areas where it'll test to come back up. Maybe test again to come back up to really reinforce, really reinforce that this low is the low. All right, let's go to the 4 hour. Sorry, we'll go back to the daily. Back on the daily, you've got what is a strong resistance here, right? So if we get closer, you got the high, the all-time high made up here, 25.31. And then it's tried. It tried to here, it couldn't. It tried to here and break the all-time high, it couldn't. It tried here again and it couldn't. It tried here again and it couldn't. It feels like it's trying to push up to potentially come back down, find some support around what were the areas we said before. Around what here? This is what we think. This is what I think maybe about here. Yeah, maybe a weekly future support. Oh my god, bro, who learned you how to spell? Weekly future support, maybe not. Who knows? Yeah, so on the daily, it could try and, like, because it's tried to go up, up, up. It hasn't. And if you're going off the technicals, you're getting lower low. There's lower low, there's lower high. So the technicals seem to be this part of the consolidation is it's going down. That's if we're going to go off the daily. But it's not strong enough to make any moves. That's where the momentum seems to be going. On the 4 hour, let's get rid of all of these. On the 4 hour, look at that. Consolidation. Consolidation central on the 4 hour. Look at that. It hasn't closed above. And that could have been a fake out, so we'll go there. That could have been a fake out. Get some liquidity to come back up. So it hasn't had a considerable close below. Right there. Look at that. Boom, boom, just bouncing up and down. And that's, how big is that? How big of a range is that? There. There to there. That's, Jesus. What? That's 300? Yeah, 300 pips. Pretty huge. So that's how we see the 4 hour. As of right now, where we're at, if we get a little bit closer, let's get rid of, oh no, we'll keep that here. We go to about there on the 4 hour. As we get closer, you've got the support here. This is the support right there. And that is a 4 hour resistance. So let's bring this right here. And you got this candle that it might want to fill to come back up and balance out. We'll see. No, yeah, we'll jump to the 30. And then we'll go to the 1 hour. Let's go 1 hour. 1 hour, bring it back to maybe there. This could have been a fake out on the 1 hour because look, it didn't break the low. It came down, was like, gimme, and then come back up. So no, that could have been a fake out. So this looks like the 1 hour range. It's trying, but it just can't. Let's go back to the let's go to the 30. Oh, that's messy. Like this area is messy. Call it Lionel. That is messy. This is a Lionel range. This range is Lionel. It is messy. We want it clean. We want to come up, and then when it breaks up, and then we go all the way up, you know? We want that mess. We don't want Messi. We want Ronaldo. Oh, excuse me. Bit of soda water. Soda water. Tastes like static. So that's how I see it. So right now, we are, potential buys above, right here. PBA. What's that? That is potential buys below. PBB. And that's it. And that's the analysis, really. Potential buys above, potential buys below. We just got to wait for this breakout on the 30. And we'll see what happens. Actually, let's have a look at the old order blocks. Not order blocks. What does Doyle trade? How does Doyle trade? He trades... man. How am I forgetting this? Damn it. I've completely blanked. It's not order blocks. It's, Bro, how have I blanked out? It's like support and resistance, a different tile. It'll come to me. It'll come to me later. Anyway, that's sort of what I see. That's how I see it, is that we're just ranging. And look, if you're going to go a little bit smaller, you could go this in the 15-minute range, right? A little cheeky just a little one in here. Just there's one, that little level there. And then, oh, brother, there, I guess, yeah. You're going to make it a little bit smaller. All right. It's a little bit cleaner above. Like, it's a little bit cleaner up here to come up to this way. But I need that 30-minute closure up here. Give me that 30-minute closure up here. 30 minutes. 30 min. 30 min close. 30 min close. Boom. And that's that. That's pretty much the analysis we see. You know? That's pretty much it. So now we just wait. Now I play the waiting game. And while I do that, on my other screen, I will be doing some editing. Excuse me. So I'll be in and out. I'll be zoning. I'll be looking here, looking there, looking here, and looking there, and looking here and there. Yeah. If you see one of these ones, ignore that. That's just me, you know, going in and out of screens. And yeah. Let's set magic keys up, actually. Oh, dude, look at GJ. For the culture. It's GJ. Oh, hello. GJ with a little bit of a run up. Consolidation, and then probably try and and then come back down here. It's probably there. Maybe there. What, there-ish? Yeah. 30 pips. Maybe. Maybe. 30 minutes. Interesting. That's the 5. What am I looking at? 30 minutes. There you are. Look at that. That is, it's Lionel. That's Lionel, boys. That's Lionel Messi. Magic keys. Setting up magic keys. Do you ever just zone out? I do that sometimes. On screen. Open. Make you smaller. Here. That way. Boom. Where? There? Perfect. Cool. Cool. What do we do? Earlier, did take one trade. 2 trades. One idea, executed twice. Nice cheeky little 1160, and what was on the other account? Is it the same? 1160? 1160.63 and 1167.65. Holy moly. That's so close. Wow. That's impressive. I wonder if there are people out there that can do like a thumbnail for us. That should be good. I'm gonna mute the mic for a sec. Where is it? That could be a little bit lower. Make the audio a little bit lower. Boom. There we go. Let's get the analysis up. The old analysis. There we are. Go away, magic keys. That's where gold is sitting right now. That is where gold is sitting right now. And we're just waiting. Waiting. And we'll see what happens. Doing some waiting. Did my analysis. You just play the waiting game. It's I believe it's a where are you? There. Bank holiday today in the US. Yeah, there it is, right here, down here. US bank holiday. Look at that. US bank holiday. So. Might not be as volatile, New York, but we'll see. We'll see. wait. That's all we do. Wait. We wait. Does it look any different here? Nah. What do I do this? What if I do this? Hey, does that make it look any different? There, probably. Does that make it any different? A nice tight range. Although it should be there probably. Well, actually there. Look at that. Hey, does that change anything? A little bit. Hey? 2091. What do we do? 2050? No. Yeah, there. Hey, not bad. It does change it. I got that all the way down here. It does change it. It does change it. Maybe. I don't know. Doesn't look like it, man. Just looks super dead. Just nothing going on. Nothing going on at all. Nothing. 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 Do we have anything? Not really. 15 closed close. It looks like it's trying to go up. Like come back into the trading. You know? Looks close. Yeah. I'm gonna give it like it's what 10:17 now, right? I'm gonna give it maybe a half hour. See the next two 15-minute closures and then see what happens after that, you know? Just ranging. It's just ranging. That's all it's doing. Rangy, 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 rangy. Just ranging. And that's it, boys. She ranging. That's okay. I have work to do on my other monitor, which is good. Helps me keep busy, you know? Keep busy. Oi, we got some movement. Here we go. Okay. Whee, here we go. Bit of volume. All right, now we're getting something. Maybe. Hopefully. Okay, look, if we break that, we should get some... You know what? I think we're good here. Okay, open calc. You go up in there. You go under here, and that's a 1 to 1.5. Yeah. I mean, not bad, not bad. Whoops. All right. So what do we see? I see that, so it's on the 30, right? We got this little closure above. What is this here? This little range. So on the 15, we get the closure. Then we got the hourly as well. The hourly is still open. The 4 hour is still open. It's moving up. It seems to be NY volume. Do we want to take this for what? 1 to 1.3? What did we do? Let's go to 0.75. Let's go. All right. We're in. We're in this trade. All right. We're in. What did we see? Look, we've got these wicks, which it seems to be respecting. Okay. Seems to be respecting. And that's okay. If we... Let's have a look at the 15s, actually. Go to the 15. Okay. If we break this 15, we close half. Actually, what's it done? It's... Look, it's broken this 15 already. If it comes back here. So now that it's broken this 15, I'm fine with moving this stop loss to under this previous 15 because it's broken the high already. It's tried to break this wick, but it hasn't. But it's broken the high already. If it breaks the high and then wants to come back down and takes out this 15 minute, then it may as well just take the whole trade out. Because the idea is we're getting higher highs and higher lows. Cool. I'm comfortable with that, right? I'm comfortable with that. What's this stop? 1K. I've already made this 1,000. So if we get that out, we're out for break even as of right now. So we're risking what is 1,000. TP is 1.5. So it's what well, 1 to 1.5. Cool. I'm happy with this. I'm fine with this. And to confirm it even more, a little bit more there. If price breaks that, I'm closing half. If price breaks this point here, I'm closing half. Because that means there's downward momentum. Where are you? Close half over here. All right, we're happy with this. We're happy with this. So where is it? Let's go to here. Positions. This here. Cool. All right, close half. There we go. We've closed half. So now, what have we got? We took a, what's that, like a minus 230, right? And our stop now is at 500. So our stop originally was, I believe, 1500. I'm pretty sure it was maybe 1500, 1500. To now, the stop will be, what's this? 230 and then a 500. So now if we lose, we have 700. So we've now halved our risk, which is great, which is what we want to do. I'm managing risk and I feel confident in this. That's me in my emotional state for right now. I feel confident in this, the way I'm managing this trade as it's happening. Because what we see here, you've got these wicks, rejection wick, rejection wick. Look, it's trying and it just can't do it. It just can't do it. This is me looking on the 5 minute. It just can't do it, you know? So now we just watch it. We just watch it play out. Now this can go. This can go. And we'll just watch it play out. Because how's it look on the 5 minute? It looks like it's trying to break this level, which it just can't. But I think if it does, it'll either break. Look, at this point, yeah. At this point, it's either break and I'm going to go up to TP, maybe up to this level here. Maybe, because this was a previous support to keep going up. So it'll either... Whoops. Yeah, it'll either come back to here, this point, and then turn around and go, or it'll just go straight up. So once we get to here, that's our stop loss break-even stage. Stop loss at break-even. There. Right there. That's stop loss at break-even. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Very happy. Very happy with this. Let's get back to the 30. The 30's pushing past these wicks, which is great. Which is what we love. We love to see. Which is good. I mean, the volume's a little bit lower than what New York would be. This feels more like, oh, here we go. Here we go. What's that? 750? Yeah, all right. Here we go. A bit of movement. A bit of movement. All right. What was it? It was 11.1 pips. Cool. Which in theory is... $111. There. So if we get price to there, we should get to what was our previous, the money we had before, the money we lost, we get it back. But that's fine. So I'm going to go down to the smaller time frames and see if there's any points, here we go. Here we go. On the 15, we have this as a wick. Right? This is a wick. So now, right now, if this comes back to break even, I will close half again. If this comes back to break even, I will close half. Right there. I will close half at break even. Where is it? Here. All right, it's good. It's good. So now again, do I see a reason for this to reject off anything? There's nothing there in the immediate price action before us for it to reject. This should fill to about there, at least 2504. That's how many pips? 200 pips. So to 200 pips, I reckon I could close 80%. I'd be fine with that, which is 1.6 lots. That's at how many? 200 pips. 200 pips on this, but it's 20 pips really. 200, and we want, oh yeah, we'll leave. We will go to, yeah, half, 50%. Is that right? That should be right. No, a bit more. We'll go a little bit more. Because I want to try and cover the loss of the other one. We'll go to, yeah, there we go. What, 65%, I believe? Is that right? So that's how much? $260. And that's, yeah, that'll do. Perfect. Sweet. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. That's how I see price action. All right. Now, the 15. Okay. At this point here, we're risking this much. If we go back to break even, let's have a look at on the 5 minute. On the 5 minute, yeah, okay. So I'm managing this on the 5 minute right now. And now on the 5 minute, how do we play this? I think I go with a tighter stop loss. Do I go tighter stop loss? Yeah. I think I go tighter stop loss. At this point here, let's go back to 15. Okay. If we're using the 15 minute, if this flips and goes all the way up here and then comes back, it may as well just go all the way down. So stop loss comes up. Happy with that. So right now we are risking losing 247 after having already lost what, 230. So where's our calculator? 230 plus, what is it? 247, 247, 477 is what I'm risking losing right now. Is 477. This will get me back to BE, and then this, honestly, I could just let it run forever. Because after this, it's house money. Honestly, no, I'll leave it there. I'll leave it there, and that'll be the trade. So that's the trade for right now. That's how we're managing it, and I'm very happy with this management. I feel confident in this. I feel like I'm sticking to my plan as it's happening and as it's moving. Now this is a bank holiday, so the volume might not be there, but I feel like me assessing the technicals and as the move is happening, that I'm doing it all correctly or as close to correctly as possible. Now, am I going to talk myself out of it? No. So I'm getting twitchy, right? Because I feel like I want to lock out because there's no volume. Okay? Because it seems to be holding. Just. Do I just go stop loss to break even? I think that's what I do. I'll just go stop loss to break even. No, I'm getting twitchy. See, I'm getting angsty and I'm getting twitchy. And I'm not... How's my assessment different from 2 minutes ago to now? It's because I'm seeing it go down. I just said, if it goes down to the 15, if it goes down and breaks the 15, you may as well just break and go all the way down. That's what I said. And so that's what I'll do. So as it stands right now, we're at 931 profit. Where's that calculator? 931.35. Take away 247.44. See, why am I doing this? Why am I calculating what I'll end up with? I shouldn't. I should just be playing. I should just be working the chart and going off what the chart is doing. So just got to wait for closures. Because gold can move quickly. So I'll just wait for closures. And price action seems to be wanting to fill that range on the left. Is what it seems like it wants to do. because as it's moving, as the momentum is trying to be built, it's going down and then swing up and then down, and then ideally this is the swing up to continue up. Because on the whole, let's go to the 1 hour. It's a very obvious going up, 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 up. So this is what we're doing. This is what I'm looking for. How's it look on the 4 hour? So the 4 hour looks like it's a rejection and it should continue. That this is a nice, good, strong support for it to then continue, keep going up. This, yeah, me looking at the higher time frames, I feel more confident in it, in the trade. So the 15's closed up here. Now, all right, now we're getting juicy. So if this makes a bit of a bottom wick, flips up and breaks its high, the stop loss goes up to the current 15-minute bottom wick. So right now, if that flips and drives, that flips and breaks the candle, the previous candle high, stop losses break even. So yeah, I just let it go, let it run, let whatever happen happen. While I do some work. All right, that's good. This is good price action. It's a bit slower than what the New York session would be. It would normally be moving a little bit quicker than this. But that's fine. That's fine. Oh, also, excuse the sound effects. Yeah, perfect. Oh, workshop. Make it a shed. That's a shed. What's the 5-minute look like? Whoops, that can go away. Okay. There we go. We're good. So looking at it move, the way it's moving. Okay, let's have a look on the 5 minute. What's the 5 minute doing? Look, it's building. It's slowly creeping down and creeping down and creeping down. So this one, as it stands right now, I've got my finger. I'm hovering over this close. Yep, I'm out. Nope. That's fine. Whatever. That's okay. We take the what? The $300 loss. It was a $300 loss for what would have been a potential $1,700 loss. So 1,700 down to 300. Very happy with that. Happy with the way it's managed. The only thing I could potentially criticize is that the volume's not there because it's a bank holiday, and that I potentially shouldn't have taken it. But in saying that, the setup was there. It played out the way I feel like it should have played out. Sorry, it didn't play out. It's set up the way it would set up that I should take it. So I did. I followed my rules. I took the trade. These things happen. It just happened to have gone against me. And when it did go against me, I feel like I managed the trade well. So I'm happy with that. So let's journal it. Let's chuck it on the old journal. You go down here, and I go there. And you were what? About here. And you were about there. I can do this. And your target was here. But we closed again. Oh, hello. Yeah, nice. Doesn't matter. I did it for a reason, and that reason was correct. So that's fine. Okay. What happened in this? We had a support formed and continued and confirmed with a 30-min bullish candle. Took the break of the previous 15-minute high. Let's see. On the 15s. Yeah. 30 there. Took... No, it was like here, wasn't it? Was that the entry? No, the entry was up here. Stop loss moved up. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, there. Okay, cool. Support formed... 30-minute support formed and confirmed with the 30-minute bullish candle. Took the break of the previous 15/30-minute high. No, it's a 30-minute high because it's 30. Took the previous 30-minute high. Whoa! 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 Sure. Put you back up. That's crazy. Crazy, fool. Previous 30-minute high. It started turning against us. Took closed 50% at minus 11 pips. Went for us, then went, it then turned for us, then back against us, and closed remaining 50% at, where is it? Here. 3.9 pips. 4 pips. Minus 4 pips. Perfect. I'm happy with that. Cool. You go there. This. Copy link. And even then, this was like here. It was there. Let's go here, journal. Yo. Okay, so it is the 02/09/2024. 11 p.m. Whoops. 11 p.m. Okay. That's weird. Anyway, this was pre-NY. Oh, no, we'll call it NY. It was NY. There were gold buys. It was a continuation. Was it a continuation? I mean, I guess it was more of a consolidation. I'll add that in. We'll call it a Lionel. Lionel because it was messy. The entry was the flip of the... No, it was the break. Break of the previous on the 15. Risk was half risk. We closed 50% at minus 11 pips and... Yep. Closed full at minus 4. Total pips secured. What's the average? 11 plus 4 divided by 2. Minus 7.5. Minus 7.5. The amount was these two. So we do 83.83 plus 229.28. 312. 312.1. I believe. 312.1. And is that going to work? Whoops. Yeah. You. Copy link. Nope, there. There. Is that right? 197,650.19. 197. What? Why is that wrong? I never get these right. Bloody hell. 83.83. Have I added this incorrectly? Okay, close. 83.83. Is it the... Is that right? Net? Yeah. Okay, hang on. Hang on. 229.28 plus 83.83. 313.11. How did I get that wrong? So it's 197,651.2. 197. Oh, brother. What? What? What the hell is going on? 197,024.98 is my balance. Ah, it's going to be a minus. Silly. There we go. That's better. Okay. Cool. Perfect. Easy. Great. Happy. Very happy. We can... Oh, no. Pull this up. So, yeah. That's the trade. Right now, I'm feeling... I'm feeling good. I felt like the trade was right. I managed it at each step of the way. The only difference is if there was volume, I'd be able to get to whatever the destination is sooner and probably could have gone in my favor. But that's fine. It's a bank holiday trade. So it is what it is. All right. Close that. And that'll be that. Thanks, folks. If you ever watch this in the future. But yeah, this will be more for myself. But yeah, that's the stream.